Alright, y'all, so today I'm making some homemade biscuits. Alright, I'm going to start off with 2 cups of flour. And then 6 tablespoons of butter. Alright, and I'm just going to mix the flour and the butter together. You can mix it with your hands. Or if you have the tool that you need to mix the flour and butter together, you can use that. I prefer to use my hands. Alright, so now I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of sugar. And then maybe a little bit over a tablespoon. And then a little bit of salt, which is about a teaspoon. And then I'm adding 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Alright, so you want to continue to combine and mix the ingredients. I'm going to add a little bit of milk at a time. You don't want to overmix your biscuit batter. Alright, so now it's time to roll it out. I'm going to add a little flour to my countertop. And then I'm going to place the dough on top of that. And then just begin to roll it out. But it should look something like that. Adding a little flour on top of the biscuit dough. Then I'm going to start just rolling it out. You can roll it out thick or thin. It's up to you however you like to have your biscuits. I don't like mine as thick, so I'm going to do mine a little thin. I'm using a cup because I don't know where my biscuit cutter is. So just to show you, you can use a cup, a glass cup.